Curtains are indeed the heart and soul of any and every interior space, and they are the kind of essentials that never go outdated. The more high-quality curtains you get, the more you can expect them to serve and comfort you. That's because a heavier, plusher profile means more coverage and higher blockage of all the troublesome external factors. However, getting high-quality curtains isn't always a feasible idea, since that of course is likely to burden your budget. Plus, why spend on some premium curtains when you can totally create them for yourself, with just a little smart conduct? All it takes is a bit of sewing skills and some high spirits, and you can absolutely nail the creation of your own customized curtains having a lining. This procedure won't consume a lot of time, yet you can expect a great deal of timeless benefits from this curtain treatment. So go grab your favorite curtains, existing or new ones, and have your checklist completed. You can choose any kind of curtain fabric which suits you the most, and as for the lining fabric, you'll need it in the similar measurements as your curtain fabric. Scissors, sewing machine, tape measure, iron, chalk and iron are the rest of the stuff that you'll need to make your own lined curtains. Start by taking accurate measurements of both your curtain fabric as well as the lining fabric and mark them with chalk. Start cutting along the marked line for all the curtain panels. As for cutting the lining fabric, you'll need to leave around 10 inches from the entire lining length, since it does not require to be hemmed. On an iron board or flat surface, place your curtain fabric in a way that its inside faces up. Next up, you'll need to take the fabric panel bottom and fold it up nearly 4 inches, followed by making a neat crease with your iron. Do the same folding for another 4 inches, iron in the similar way, and you should get a double hem of 4 inches. From the top of your fold, make a quick stitch along the whole length of the curtain panel at a distance of 1/4 inch. Do the same procedure to the curtain lining, except for the fact that the lining will be folded up to 2 inches, instead of 4. Once you're done doing the same to the lining fabric, you should be left with a 2-inch double hem. For attaching the curtain fabric and lining together, you'll need to lay both side by side atop the floor or a flat surface in a way that the right side of your curtain is facing upwards and the right side of the lining fabric faces downwards. At this point, you'll need to line up the lining bottom with the curtain fabric bottom by placing the lining an inch higher than the curtain fabric. Smooth out both the fabrics, followed by sewing them together. On the right side of your curtain panel, you'll need to fold an inch of each side edge inwards, followed by making another 1-inch fold too. This double folded edge will conceal all the raw edges, making your curtain appear seamless. Finish off by sewing the seam shut and do the same on all 4 sides of your curtain panels. Voila! You can now enjoy your plush, heavy and room-darkening custom-made curtains that are ready to be installed.